Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the upper spray arm water supply tube in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new upper spray arm water supply tube. The upper spray arm water supply tube is installed at the bottom of the upper dish rack, delivering water to the upper spray arm. The main reason why the upper spray arm water supply tube should be replaced is if it cracks, causing low water pressure at the spray arm and, as a result, dirty dishes in the upper dish rack. To get to the part, we need to open the door. I'm going to pull out the upper dish rack and push it back in, so the rail is going to be out. And now we can remove this guide rail end cap. I'm going to push it in the middle in and pull this tab off. And we're going to take the opposite side end cap the same way, and I'm going to remove the upper dish rack assembly. Right, I'm going to place the dish rack on the table. Now we need to remove the spray arm. The lock nut at the bottom of the spray arm should be turned counterclockwise if you're looking from the top. And now we can put it somewhere out of the way. Now I'm going to turn this upper dish rack on its side, and I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the locking bar here. So I'm going to slide the flat blade screwdriver into this slot, and I'm going to pry this little plastic up, and at the same time I'm going to push the locking tab in. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And we can remove this tab out. Angle the rack a little bit on the side and then grab this part and push it down so we can disengage these tabs here. Alright, now I'm going to put it down and I'm going to grab this with one hand and that supply tube with the other hand, and I'm going to pull and wiggle it out of the joint. This is the old upper spray arm water supply tube next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to push in this connector, and this little piece will lock into this opening. Now I can go to this end and push the whole thing back slowly, careful, don't break that mount here. All right, press it down and forward. All right. And now we're going to lock this with this locking bracket. And the last thing before we install it into the dishwasher, we're going to lock this spray arm on this supply tube. So there's three little tabs goes in between the locks there, and then I'm going to turn the nut clockwise. And now I'm going to lift it and install it into the dishwasher. I'm going to place all four rollers onto the rails. And slide the dish rack in. Right, we're going to start with this side. I'm going to place an end cap on. bend it and pull it up, and then it's going to click into these holes. We're gonna install the bottom end first. And I'm gonna bend the center and pull the top on and lock it. So push in the upper dish rack, then I'm gonna make sure that the rails are in, and we can close the door now. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.